What the fuck?
Like a few hours ago.
We're going to city. Cat, we're going to city. Come on.
Oh, I'm gonna turn to an angry bird.
No one's in the city.
Why is there so many cats?
I first cosmetic was a party hat. That was a mine. I have the party hat.
I'm scared.
Not my person.
I'm scared.
Oh,
My newest
cat.
cosmetic.
Stay away from me! Stay away! Die! Burn in hell!
Whoa,
I don't like water though.
You want water? You want water? I'll give you water. How about this?
Water resistant glasses. I got water resistant glasses. Scratch.
Are you a cat? Are you fucking Chinese?
Scratch him.
Yeah, try to. Try to. Try to. Try to. Yeah, I would like to see you try.
I can also growl.
Spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby.
Scratch.
You didn't even touch me!
Scratch. I scratched Cheyenne.
You know what?
Hitting everything in my room. Okay. Scratch. I got your eye. Where did the cat go?
I took them into Iceland. I took them to mountains.
Let's go down there.
All of the cats are in mountains.
Only animals.
Please
Don't come
save
down here.
yourself.
Only animals.
Save yourself. Save yourself. Go. Leave. Leave.
Run, bird. Happy bird.
I'm gonna eat you instead.
I know. What the? What the?
Let's go down to my cat friend. Only animals go down to the new map.
Sleep. Save yourself. Save yourself. Save yourself. Save yourself. Oh, you're a bird. I can cook you. I can cook you. Nice.
This cat hates water.
I don't hate water. But I do like doing parkour.
Where are they?
Damien, touch that.
When you get to the top,
You messed up my parkour.
spread out your arms.
I just want to be part of your symphony.
Like spread out your arms. Like this.
Hey, bird, can you go get the black cat up there?
So that you can catch it.
You know what?
Go do it.
You know what? We're going to sewer. We're going to sewer. I'm killing them. I'm going to kill 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 them.
You know cat chase birds.
Kill them. I'm going to kill them. I'm
You
going to
know
kill them.
cats hate birds and they
I'm going to
eat
kill
them.
them.
Oh, that's good.
I'm going to kill them.
Eat him, cat. Eat him.
Fuck.
children's at? We're eating him. Don't run away, beast. Shocky, shocky, come here. Shocky, shocky. Shocky. I want to eat you to death.
Fuck! Fuck!
Billy,
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Run! Help me! Help me! Help! Help! What the fuck?
I can never die.
Yeah, you can just
I'm going after either you die or I'm going after your other friend, my friend Kat.
walking on water.
God, fuck this. I'm out. I can't leave. Fuck. Fucking another.
I'm sorry.
What the heck is going on here? Come on, let's look behind you.
Run! Run, Blue! Oh god! Oh god, they're coming! Oh god! I need to leave. Oh god! I'm gonna bring a dog to the server. I'm gonna bring a dog to the server. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring a dog. Damn it. I'm gonna bring a dog to the server. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring a dog.
No, don't! I will scratch his eyes out if you do.
Should I? Yo, recording. Recording. Should I? Should I? Should I do it? I'm recording this. You're gonna go on YouTube. You're gonna go on. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go find the other people.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Okay, it's me here and guys.
Help me! Help me! Help me! You know what? You know what? I'm gonna complete it.
I already completed it.
Oh, I didn't.
Nope. Nope.
Party Hut? Where'd you go?
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Help me! Help me! Hide me!
Go to OG Caves. I have an idea.
Oh boy. I'm scared.
Party Hut, come on.
I'm going to tell you my name. I put my name in.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. That was so terrifying.
Guys, come on.
They're still here. Oh god.
Don't get rid of the tail, please.
Oh god. They're coming. They're coming. Oh my god.
Wait for me.
Oh god. Oh god.
Search the mine carts. You might find something useful.
I'm trying to hide. I'm gonna go hide.
Hey, they hate on you. They hate on you.
I'm scared. I'm
What?
scared.
Oh, I know where that goes. Blue, where are you? Blue,
I'm over here.
where are you? Yeah. Alright, purple, this way.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
This can help us from them.
So I've never been in here. What does this do? What are you supposed to do?
It's the scientist lab.
This is
They
a
use
little
to create
space that
ghosts.
we all can go and they can't.
They can use to create ghosts here.
Okay,
Those
guys,
ones open the
I
gates
learned that
down
these
there.
things actually work. So all of these
They
are
open the
secrets.
button. They open the buttons. They open the gates down there.
I'm gonna just stay in here, if that's fine.
Oh, if you want.
I'm
Just
hiding.
don't open that if a cat comes.
Okay. Can I close
We
this?
still have the key
Diane,
card.
let's go.
I'll keep it contained.
Diane. Oh my gosh, that scared me.
I'm
What?
scared. I don't want
heard
them to
the
come
cat,
back.
Like kind of roar, and it kind of scared me. I get all jittery, you know, because I ghost hunted here. Wait,
Really?
I ghost I ghost hunted here way too many times. Yeah, hi, bye.
Why are the gates open?
Because I clicked all of them.
Oh yeah.
That's
Run,
kind
run,
of
run.
I think it's a part of me now.
Okay, I'm done.
Diane, the gate just closed.
Oh no.
Anyone
I'm not
pressing.
sure what happened. Boop, 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 boop.
It's because let's go clicking the buttons.
You clicking the buttons.
Close the door.
It's so annoying.
What's supposed to go out there? What do you do out there?
Go spawn, you stupid.
Guys, we could put that in a cage. It works. I've done it.
You can just put the hand through and just grab it, you know.
What if I just
Yeah, but still, go lash.
Oh, we don't need that. We don't need that.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
But then if you fall there, how are we supposed to get back?
Eh.
How are we supposed to get back in? We need this.
We don't need that.
Oh my gosh, that actually looks cool.
Yes, we do. Put it in the vending machine. Put it in here.
No,
It's gone.
definitely not.
I thought that was a hiding spot.
It's probably gone.
Now you don't have
I put it in the bed before and I heard weird noise.
Yeah, because I roasted him.
Who wants to get it? Not it.
He didn't have his back shot. I roasted him so much he left.
One of you has to get it.
20 years.
I'm not going out there.
Because I knew it wasn't him. You know why?
I'm hiding from the cats. They're scary.
He doesn't match.
Oh my gosh.
I don't like the cats. They were kissing me, and then they were. Oh God, the memories.
Use the joy you always use and then just put your arms back.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that actually looks really fun.
Look what I can do. Look what I can do.
Guys, look at this. 360. 360.
Oh. Alright, guys.
360.
I'm gonna go out.
Oh, I did a 360.
You're burning down the
You're burning down the place. You're burning down the place.
Very sure.
Bye
Open
bye.
this for when we get them, and we'll tell you if they're close.
And then you just
Okay.
pull it out of your
Come get the cats also. Get the cats. Come over here. Make them come over here.
Alright. Alright.
I'm just kidding.
Go, science. Up here.
Open the gates. Open the gates. Oh God, they're.
What's happening? What's happening?
That clapping noises.
I just got fed catnip. I
Oh.
just got fed catnip.
Oh God. Oh God. I'm hiding.
K9's not in this code. It's just some kid who has his cosmic. Because it's not him. Cause I know it's K9 always yaks. You know the code? No, he left.
What the? I just bounced. Oh no!
We're scared.
I'm
I was just
scared.
bouncing and then you just go.
Oh my God! What is that?
Wait, able to
Kitty
eat the
pound.
steam? Wait, there's.
Oh my god, guys, come back down here. Come back down here.
Actual food out of this? Don't know. Oh, my hands in. Oh yeah, let me get here. Oh, sweet.
Oh god,
Is it supposed to be
they're
spicy?
coming.
Eat now.
Who are you?
Move. Eat. Starving. Wait, I might.
Yay, finally.
Whoa, I got 2 notifications.
Trying to get
I
a
don't
cat.
get. I'm hungry. Hold on. Dig in there. Get a headful. Where's my food?
It's in
Where's
caves.
the drink?
It's in caves. Your food is in caves.
Catnip.
I'm here. I'm just eating myself. Where'd she go?
In my hand, wrong.
I already have 10 trillion catnip from the other, from the new map, but okay.
It's special catnip.
Does it give you catnip?
It's chasing me.
Get back.
Run.
Oh god.
Oh yeah,
She's coming.
He's running.
Open the door.
Where is he?
I can't open the door.
Murder shark?
I can't open the door. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! No! Oh god! Oh god!
Have? That is quite powerful.
Does anyone want
I'm gonna set the house on fire! I'm gonna kill myself!
Open it, or I'm gonna invite you.
Yeah.
Get the key card. I got the. I'm gonna get the
why you said double fun?
Because I'm gonna burn myself!
Don't you
Keep
dare
us
bite
on.
me. Cat, you bite me. It'll be the end of you.
I'm setting this place ablaze!
Dude, open the door.
I don't know! How?
Open the door. Open it. Oh, quickly. Press that quickly.
That closes it!
Quickly. Stop. That one.
Oh god! Oh god!
Run. What's happening?
Oh
I'm chasing them down. Do you have any catnip?
Why?
I'll team up with you. No, since you're cool, I'll team up with you. Okay.
Orange, I got tuna.
I give you catnip.
Yay, guys.
Goodness gracious.
Orange, I got tuna. Oh my god, did I say that?
Why don't you get out of here?
Guess who I'm summoning Lucy.
I'm about to leave. I'm so sweaty.
I'm teaming up with Orange Cat.
Seriously? Alright, fine. Alright, now we gotta run from a murder shark.
Why?
I know where they are. I heard someone.
Hey, look at this.
Is anyone still in OTK?
Hold on, I'll make
They're
one of
not
you.
in
Why are your eyes...
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna be going over to city.
No! I'll come with you. Well, we need to find them though.
We are. I think I know where they are. We're leaving the ones in
Oh.
OTK's last.
Do you have your...
If you stayed in
So,
OTK's,
like-
then you would be safe because we're leaving them. that. Oh, never
I
mind.
have an idea.
Okay.
I know where to go now.
where are you?
Shit.
Oh, did you spawn right in front of
No,
me?
I'm not saying go too. There's two.
Where
kids that
are
look
you?
similar.
Where
You're
there?
not going to Canyon. Get up there!
Why?
I don't know.
You didn't give me my continent! Wait, bro. Just
I'll
go
say
here.
Do not what I said.
I'm going after the murder shark. Over in Cold Desert. Go down to any button and it'll do that 3 times. Okay? And then you're good. There's murder shark.
That was so close, man.
I need
I saw we're at 360. 360.
Bye, man.
Oh, he's
I
coming.
need to go
Let me
get them.
see his coming.
Goodbye. I'm gonna practice in canyons. Do we even know what canyons is?
Sure.
Yeah.
And then go to canyons. I ain't after you anymore.
Yo, guys, I'm in mountains. Murder Shark is in mountains.
Do you not know how to
Oh.
spell cat?
This way, cat. Yeah, that way.
Wait, oh, it's cat. Wait.
Then just go to canyons. I'm in
Alright,
canyons.
see if I can find these. Oh, I can.
Now go to canyons. The tunnel? That tunnel place? Go.
Oh, God.
Yeah, go
Are
down
you recording
there.
this?
You should see a blue
Yo,
monkey.
silly. Yo, are you recording this?
Why?
Now jump
Are you
down.
recording? Are you recording?
Did you record it?
Because
Yeah.
you need to go.
Can I friend you record?
Yeah, I know. I'm recording this.
Can you look for murder shark for me?
Sure. My headset's at 3%. Yeah, recording. Recording.
Get the mini city.
If
I do.
if they catch us,
Or do you
go over
not
there
know?
and close the gate.
Ow.
What?
If they
Wait,
if
let
they
me
come,
find this.
if they
I think
come
I actually
to
need
get
go
me,
now.
close the. I'll open the gate, close it, and if they follow me, close one of these. Okay. No, not right now.
Go back to spawn point.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I might leave soon. Honestly, you might leave soon.
Wait, bro. So,
Should I
you can
leave,
pretty much do
or
what-
should I give them a last laugh?
Wait, bro, talk real quick and I'm gonna go to act. Talk. I'm here. Go to Igloo.
You are?
Go to Igloo.
That target. So bad.
Did you find him?
Aren't you coming? Alright.
Where's Murder Shark? Can anyone tell us?
I'm gonna be leaving soon, so you can't find me. I'm in clouds.
I don't believe that canyon.
You have 10 minutes to find me or I'm leaving. Actually, 5.
What?
Actually, I'm leaving right now. Ha ha! I got the last laugh. Bye, sucker!
You're ugly.
Ha ha! Actually, no. No, I'll come back. Yo, cat, do you want to make a truce?
Yes, if you come out.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Why are you after me?
Meet me in city.
Fly with me. Okay. Why did you guys just start running away from me?
Because you were attacking me. I'm gonna be honest, it was weird.
I wasn't. I was only attacking you guys because you had catnip.
I didn't have catnip. I promise you.
Oh, I'm pink then.
Trees.
Chris, that's
Yeah.
tag.
Okay, to be honest, I was in OG caves. I was in OG caves.
I was like, I don't want to get anyone from OG Caves. I know where pink is.
Yeah, I was in OG caves.
We're in city. Come here.
Orange, alright. I have to ask.
I got 0.
Why did you betray me?
I didn't. You betrayed me first.
How? How?
Guess you were on my team.
Okay, I'm gonna go because I have a headache. So, bye.
Oh.
First.
I murder shark.
Bye.
Alright, seriously?
I need to stop recording.